Take a look at this. XXEC attorney says no settlement because Gensler won half the case. After Gary Gensler announced his resignation as SEC chairman in January 2025, the price of XRP skyrocketed. This new information has ignited conjecture over the potential resolution of the XRP SEC litigation prior to Gensler's departure. Someone on social media theorized that the SEC and Gary Gensler would try to avoid looking like complete losers by offering a settlement before he goes. In response, though, Mark Fagel, a former attorney for the SEC, stated that the agency had already won half of the case. It is unlikely, in his opinion, that all of the commissioners who decided to appeal in the past would suddenly reverse their decision. Although it's theoretically conceivable, he thinks it's highly improbable and is consoled that the case will not be dropped. They have already won half the case, he wrote. It baffles me that the same commissioners who voted to appeal half of the decision would now change their minds. Might be possible, but I don't think so. With more people buying and selling XRP, its price has risen to $1.05. Many experts are pessimistic, with some even forecasting a $2 price spike soon. At present, XRP is displaying robust bullish momentum, and the introduction of an XRP ETF in the United States has the potential to further increase its price. New events, such real XRP being listed on major European exchanges, have also contributed to the recent surge. The appointment of Scott Bessent as Donald Trump's possible Treasury Secretary could further improve XRP's prospects, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who is optimistic about the cryptocurrency's future. Legal expert Jeremy Hogan predicts a spring or summer 2025 resolution to the Ripple version. SEC case. A far more favorable regulatory climate for SEC case might result from Gensler's departure, which might speed up the process. In a recent market update, an analyst from AgriCrypto, a crypto from the firm, revealed a significant finding about XRP, a well-known digital asset. The most recent revision builds on Agri's previous work and summarizes the key objectives and predictions for the future price trajectory of XRP. His most recent tweet contained a detailed technical chart that seems to indicate a strong potential for an upward trend. Specific technical indicators that have been closely tracked over the last several years are the focus of the research carried out by AgriCrypto. The actual wake-up line, a major resistance level that Agrag has been monitoring since 2021, is highlighted in its most recent chart. This not only validates the chart's technical patterns, potential revisions, and midterm growth forecasts, but it also strengthens the credibility of the midterm targets. AgriCrypto, in his most recent piece, concedes that a downturn is probably coming. Despite the aggressiveness of the drop, he remains confident in his long-term forecast for XRP, as he openly admits when asked about it. His faith in the wider picture is evident from his stated intention to hold on to his XR stake regardless of market fluctuations. By employing a more thorough wave analysis, Egerg has established a long-term outlook for XRP, which he uses to analyze waves and make predictions about the future. He sees the present events as part of macro wave 3. And he claims that the recent price increase is only the beginning of a larger movement. And he concludes that Wave 3 has the potential to push XRP's value into the double digits, which, if realized, would be a massive victory for the cryptocurrency. Participating in the community and upholding openness, importantly, iGuard's communication style with the XRP community is notable for being open and honest. In his most recent tweet, he addresses a common issue among his followers, whether he has sold his XRP holdings despite the current market conditions. Agarg has said that he will not sell his shares at the present price and has reiterated his commitment to his investing strategy. By promising the community that they will be informed of any decision to sell, he demonstrates his dedication to responsibility. In response to critics who argue that such a price is unfeasible, given XRP's market size, Pantorge took to social media to address their worries. He drew an interesting parallel between the early internet and the potential future of XRP in his talk. He argued that people should not reject the possibility of XRP hitting $100 based on market cap. Doing so was like saying in 1990 that the internet couldn't become dominant because just a small number of households had personal computers. Panto recently made the point that individuals adapt, circumstances change, and the world adjusts. He also advised crypto investors and fans to think outside the box of what the market is now offering. He emphasized that innovative technologies like Bitcoin often face unanticipated challenges on the road to general adoption. This has been amply demonstrated by the meteoric rise of the internet in the previous several decades. These comments come as XRP maintains its stellar performance in the current bull market, leading some to set ambitious goals and others to warn investors to be wary of the cryptocurrency. Since XRP's value has risen by 185 in the past 3 weeks, a climb of 6,750 is required to bring it to $100. XRP's current value is 1.46 USD. On Saturday, it hit 168 times as long, and it stayed there all weekend. The present price of XRP is $6,750. However, if it were to double in value to $100, it would take 68 times as long. And if XRP hits $100, the market cap would be $5 trillion, and the diluted market would be about $10 trillion. It has been predicted by some, bullish observers that XRP might potentially surpass this record even this season. However, there are many who believe that XRP's maximum value of $1 trillion is currently unattainable, casting doubt on the objective. Supporters of XRP often draw comparisons to Bitcoin's rise, pointing out that doubters had the same concerns about Bitcoin in its early days, that it could never reach $10,000. The fact that Bitcoin was selling for 48 cents in July of 2010, just 14 years ago, is noteworthy. Bitcoin's market valuation is over $1.95 trillion, and its current price is at $98,000. Because of this, even the $100,000 mark is attainable. For XRP enthusiasts who think that $100 or more for XRP could be possible in the future, the rise of Bitcoin is a big source of motivation. Among the community analysts who are optimistic about XRP potentially reaching $100 is Pantoja Chiang. In contrast to some who believe it will be achievable by 2025, he highlighted out that this level might not be reached for at least another 5 years. He elaborated by saying that technological advancements take time and that he expects the peak XRP price for this bull run to be between $8 and $20. In 2020, U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission official Theo lodged a complaint against Christian Larson, Brad Garlinghouse, and Ripple. The CC sold over $1.3 billion worth of XRP through Ripple-involved unregistered securities offerings.